Blessings to all of you. I trust God that you are doing well and that everything is going well for you. Some ideas on Euclidean geometry. My name is Mr. Tauzeni. Let's discuss some ideas on Euclidean geometry. We are not answering any question in this video, but we're just going through some ideas on Euclidean geometry. Most of the time, this is one of the topics that gives unnecessary stress and diarrhea. And you find that in paper 2, mathematics paper 2, most of the questions at the back are not answered. They are on Euclidean geometry. So let's see to it that at the end of this year, we are all going to be able to answer all questions as is required. Now, we are not answering any questions in this particular video, but we are just discussing the different ideas that we can use in identifying and tracing theorems that are given in any particular question. Now, let's start. The first keyword that you must look for is the center. When you hear center, 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 the center is O, the center is M, the center, then immediately think about these ideas. The center is a reminder. If you connect the center to the circumference, that line is called the radius. Now, if you connect two radii, they create an isosceles triangle that will have two angles that are equal. Then another one is angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. And also knowing that the angle at center is twice the angle at circumference can be drawn in different ways. Then what else do we know? If there is a line passing through the center from circumference to circumference, that line is called a diameter. A diameter subtends a 90-degree angle, or angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So the moment I hear the word center, then things must drop in my mind like ping, ping, ping. Then, okay, line from center drawn to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. The radii create an isosceles triangle, so I may have an equal relationship there. If there is a tangent and there is a line from the center, then I may also mention that the line from the center is perpendicular to the tangent. So the center, the word center, is a critical indicator or a hint in a geometry question. It tells you which theorems are applicable in the question that you are answering. Then comes the word tangent. Remember I said you must trace them. Tangent. A tangent is a straight line that touches the circle. So in geometry, we have three theorems that mention tangents. The first one is the tangent that we've already mentioned. A tangent and a diameter are perpendicular to each other. A tangent and the radius are perpendicular. Tangent and diameter are perpendicular to each other. Two tangents drawn from the same point are equal from where they meet to where they touch the circle. Then the most common one maybe is the tan chord theorem. Now this one, learners like it so much that even when it's not there, you find the whole paper is full of tan chord, tan chord, tan chord. We need to train ourselves. How do you identify the tan chord theorem? Use a triangle. Normally there is a triangle and there is a straight line that is touching a vertex of the triangle. So that line is a tangent and the three vertices of the triangle must be touching the circumference of a circle. Then you know this is a tan adjacent sides that are equal that we can use to develop a kite. That is identifying. Never answer a geometry in same segment. That is something to look forward to. Angles in same segment equal. These are my traced concepts. T is for tangent, RA is for radius, C is for center, E is the equal angles and lines. There are some questions where you just get equal angles. Angle A is equal to angle B. Line AB is equal to BC. Those relationships, they also are very critical in answering the question. Then D is diameter, traced concepts. Now, another last one which is important for us is the idea of parallel lines. Parallel lines come as a package. Alternate angles, which form the letter N. Corresponding angles, which form the letter F. This one I normally say to my learners, no one will forget it because it forms the letter F, and we know F from the F word. Everyone knows the F word. So because we know the F word is gonna be a reminder each time you hear it, not only of the F word itself, but also of corresponding angles. The F in corresponding angles. The F word is forgive. The F word is forgive before I forget. Then let's carry on. Also with parallel lines is co-interior angles. Uh, these ones are not equal. They add up to 180 degrees. So we used to call these angles the fan angles in primary school. I don't know if they still call them the same name, but we used to call them fan angles. F is corresponding angles, U is for co-interior angles, and N is for alternating. Then we know the last one is take notice of equal angles and equal size that may be given. In grade 12, we are going to also go into details of similarity and congruency. So it is necessary to have an understanding of similarity and congruency. Importance of making sure that you do have all the information needed before you attempt a question. That is critical. Please check out the next video that we are going to do, where we are going to be answering examination questions on geometry and showing you a lot of examples on how to approach certain questions, and then you can use that information for your revision studies and cruise towards University of Pretoria, University of Cape Town, Wits University, wherever you have set your mind on. Let's keep studying, and the more we study, the better it's definitely going to be for us going forward. That's geometry. So please keep in mind, when you read the geometry question, always look for keywords and key information that you can use to answer that particular question. Blessings, guys. Let's see each other in the next video.